Alright guys, behind me is my once upon a time beautiful one of one Venetian Violet F80 M3. We're taking it home right now so that we can start assessing the damage and fixing it. I don't want to let it go to waste. We think we're gonna just like turn it into an exhibition drift car or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. You guys will have to stay tuned because I don't know what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so I made the tow truck driver flip the car around just because I'm gonna have him drop it in the garage for us, and I didn't want it front end. I wanted the front facing out so that I could work on the front, because primarily the damage that I'm gonna be able to fix and work on is the front end. The rear end is actually pretty destroyed, the left quarter panel, driver quarter panel, and so I'm gonna have to take that to a body shop to have it replaced because I'm not trying to do that at home. But we're gonna do what we can at home, and then we'll take it to the body shop and we'll get it fixed and painted, and hopefully she'll be as good as new. Sad to see her in this state, but hopefully, you know, in maybe a month or two, we can get her back up and running and on the road again. We'll see. Got a lot ahead of us, a lot of parts we gotta buy. I hope this inspires some of you guys to maybe buy a crash car or fix your crash car. Normally, this is not something that I would do, but given the circumstances and the rarity of this car, I think it makes sense financially somehow to fix it. Just looking at her from this side, she almost looks like she's perfect. We've got two good HREs, at least. Two of them are usable, so there's that. We can get two more made. I would like to see those wheels on my M2. That's the worst damage of the car. I know, but I see. Doesn't matter. You can get to it straight.
Manji, look out.
Rips the quarter panel off the fucking 236. Oh wow. Alright guys, so we got a new wishbone for the rear suspension. Here's our old bent one on the right and our good one on the left. So we got a new one of those. We're going to slap that on. Looking pretty good, especially bushing wise, condition wise. They're very similar. I was going to go new, but if I went new, I would have done both sides. So I just decided to get a used one. This was only 50 bucks. So sick, good find today. I also needed another rear bumper reflector. We got one of those today from Straight Six. This was like $10. He basically just gave it to me for free. For buying all the other stuff, I needed latches and the anti-rattle or anti-spin clips. So we got one for each side of those because I had to cut my old ones. So those were cool. And then the big item over here that was a big find today, we got a fan and radiator and condenser combo because mine was completely smashed. So pretty stoked on that. Got a good deal with the pump and everything. We also removed some of the coolant lines from the water pump up to the intercooler and down to the lower water pump. Good. So those are coming. Got new oil cooler lines because these are all bent here. We got those coming. Sweet. But yeah, I think the next thing to do is put that tow arm in the back. right, guys, we're pulling off on Beach Boulevard here in Huntington Beach. We got the car back there on the trailer. I'm super hyped because it's been quite a while since any real progress has been made on the F80. Tell you what, I'm itching to have some progress be made. Love this car. It's really been a bummer not having it around or not being able to use it. I was gonna take it somewhere else, but I decided I was gonna take it up to Ayad here at King's Auto Body, which I'll be showing you guys here shortly. Leaving the car with them for as long as they need it. Do what they gotta do. Shops in Huntington Beach. Ayad's another motorsport enthusiast, so I feel safe bringing my car to him. Can't wait to see what he does with the car. Can't wait to see the work. Super excited. Pulling up to King's Auto Body. All right, guys, we're here at King's. Got the super rad F90 M5. Bunch of E46s around. Couple cool E30s. We got this baby girl, hopefully gonna come back looking a lot better than this. We'll get one last shot of all the damage. Quarter panels boinked. Hold passenger side's pretty good, but this front upper frame rail completely boinked. So we're gonna go ahead and get that stuff pulled out, get everything looking real good again, get these boys some new body panels, get one last run in there. S54 swapped, E30 M3. Thank you, I'll take that. How sick is this thing? Just getting a little tour of the shop right now. If you like this video, be sure to check out the next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks, and see you in the next one.